Hello Bladers! Have you ever wondered which particular car maker is number one in the world? It's actually pretty simple. Go out of your house. Proceed to the main road. Check out which car maker has the most models plying along the road. Yup, it's the Toyota. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Almost all of us have driven or rode a Toyota. But have you ever wondered what their logo means? The Toyota's three ellipses. With our country being an avid fan of Toyota vehicles, we're sure that everyone has seen their logo. However, has it ever occurred to you what their logo stands for? If you're curious as well as I am, let's dig in. Before 1989, the Toyota logo that we're now accustomed to looked completely different. It previously featured a blue and red colored diamond that reflected its previous name, Toyota. Though it has been called Toyota since 1933, the company still retained the logo with the Toyota name to pay tribute to their founder, Kiichiro Toyota. However, in 1989, the company decided to revamp it to keep up with the times and to celebrate their 50th anniversary. The company came up with a logo that featured three ellipses that form a letter T, but what we don't know is that when we look at the logo, it reflects all the letters of the word Toyota. But more than the logo's looks, according to ToyotaGlobal.com, the logo actually has a deeper meaning. The two perpendicular ovals inside the larger oval represent the heart of the customer and the heart of the company. They are overlapped to represent a mutually beneficial relationship and trust between each other. The overlapping of the two perpendicular ovals inside the outer oval symbolize T for Toyota, as well as a steering wheel, representing the vehicle itself. The outer oval symbolizes the world embracing Toyota. Each oval is contoured with different stroke thicknesses, similar to the brush art known in Japanese culture. Truly, Toyota has come up with a logo that not only looks sleek and timeless, but also reflects a lot of hidden messages that are truly remarkable. Do you agree with our explanation? Or did we miss some of your knowledge about the Toyota logo? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.